Hi, my name is Steve Moak, CEO and founder of Sharetek. At Sharetek, we believe in bringing dignity back to drug and alcohol testing. Today I want to talk about one of the most uncomfortable things about behavioral health, and specifically drug and alcohol industry, and that is the alarmingly high rate of overdose deaths. In 2020, we have seen a dramatic increase, and this was last year, in the rise of overdose deaths to the tune of 90,000+ individuals that unfortunately lost their lives to a drug overdose. Now, this has obviously been hidden a little bit by the devastating effect of COVID-19 in the United States, but unfortunately, this problem is getting better, not worse. We here at Sharetek believe that through early action and prevention and using drug and alcohol testing as a tool, we might be able to make a small dent in that. So please visit our website at betterdrugtest.com. We'd like to support your mom, your dad, your husband or wife, or maybe even you, in really helping define what an abstinence-free life can look like for drug and alcohol testing. Again, my name is Steve Moak with Sharetek. Look forward to speaking with you more.